Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. Kitchoo K6. The Kitchoo K6 redefines kitchen space efficiency. Imagine a kitchen that doesn't hog up your entire room. Kitchoo delivers just that. This Swiss marvel, the K6, packs everything you need into a compact 4.1 feet when fully opened. Taking only 16 square feet, it discreetly houses a sink, stove, dishwasher, mini fridge, cabinets, and a versatile worktop behind its sleek doors. While it may not suit a big family's demands, it's a dream for studios or offices craving functionality without sacrificing space. Cliclap Vertical Wall Organizer and Planter is a versatile and innovative solution for indoor gardening and storage. Designed to maximize space, it consists of modular panels that easily attach to walls, creating a customizable vertical surface. Users can insert various containers, such as planters and shelves, into the panels, allowing for a mix of decorative plants and practical storage. Its sleek, modern design complements any interior, making it ideal for those looking to add greenery and organization to their home or office environment. DreamBox is the perfect piece of furniture for creative individuals. At first glance, it appears to be a regular small closet, but once opened, it transforms into an organized workspace. The middle part of the closet features a folding table, providing a convenient work area. Inside, the DreamBox has numerous shelves and transparent drawers, allowing you to efficiently organize your supplies and easily see everything at a glance. This closet is designed to optimize space and enhance productivity, making it ideal for people passionate about sewing, drawing, and other crafts. It ensures that each item has its own designated place, helping to keep your creative space tidy and well organized. Homevac Central. For those living in small homes in the UK, often referred to as shoebox homes, cleaning can be quite a chore. The Homevac Central system is a powerful solution designed to make cleaning these modest-sized houses more efficient. It consists of a single working unit with multiple ports, round ones for the hose and rectangular ones for picking up debris. This system offers 5 to 10 times more cleaning power than regular vacuum cleaners, allowing you to clean more thoroughly and save energy. Plus, it's conveniently controllable via a smartphone, making it easier to manage and operate. Homevac Central is perfect for cleanliness enthusiasts who want a powerful, efficient, and smart cleaning solution for their small homes. ECLETTICA Spiral Staircase. The ECLETTICA Spiral Staircase is a game changer for homes seeking efficient space utilization. Each step of this staircase doubles as a drawer, providing ample storage space for various items. This innovative design makes it ideal for small houses or apartments where maximizing space is crucial. What's more, the staircase offers customization options, allowing homeowners to choose from wine racks, shoe racks, or shelves to suit their storage needs. Its easy-to-use mechanism allows the staircase to be tucked away effortlessly when not in use, creating a seamless and clutter-free living environment. Olissys Furniture. Olissys, a Russian company, offers multifunctional furniture that combines style with practicality. Their innovative designs include a floor module, sofa or armchairs, and a wall module hiding 1 or 2 beds. The surrounding frame provides additional storage with open or closed shelves. Customizable in materials, finishes, and colors, Olissys furniture adapts to various needs. For instance, a sofa can transform into a double bed or be extended, while armchairs can convert into parallel beds. This flexibility and variety of customization options make Olissys furniture unique and highly functional, perfect for maximizing space in smaller living areas. Their designs provide stylish, practical solutions for modern, space-conscious living. Lettuce Ball. The lettuce ball is a new addition to the Antistras toy family, made by a small USA company. This sphere is perfect for crumpling, stretching, and squeezing, offering a full relaxation experience. It's a great example of innovative products, as customers don't need to purchase a pre-made sphere. They can print it themselves using a 3D printer. This feature adds an element of customization and convenience, making the lettuce ball both a fun and practical stress relief tool. The TopBrewer by Danish specialists. Scanomet is a dream come true for coffee enthusiasts. Imagine having fresh coffee right from a tap. This innovative coffee machine looks like a regular water tap, but instead of water, it dispenses coffee. It's cleverly designed to hide the professional coffee machine inside a cupboard, saving counter space and maintaining a sleek kitchen appearance. You control the TopBrewer through a mobile application that offers a menu with a wide variety of drinks. You can customize each drink to your preference, adjusting parameters like intensity, sweetness, and the amount of milk and foam. Beyond coffee, the TopBrewer can also provide sparkling water at your preferred temperature or boiling water for tea. TV Bed. The TV Bed is a space-saving marvel designed for bedrooms with limited space. It features a built-in TV with a large screen that can be hidden away when not in use, thanks to its mechanical lift system activated by a simple button press. Additionally, the bed comes equipped with built-in speakers for immersive audio, a convenient USB port for device charging, and cleverly designed compartments on the sides for storing media devices, blankets, and bedding. The option to install a lamp adds to its functionality, making it a versatile and modern addition to any bedroom. AIRPOD. The AIRPOD is a futuristic napping pod designed for people who need a quiet and private space to rest, read, or work while on the go. It's perfect for public places like city centers, train stations, and airports. Inside, you'll find a comfortable seat, a touchscreen for entertainment and information, noise-canceling technology, and smart glass that can change from clear to opaque. It also has useful features like an alarm, reading light, USB charger, and space for personal items. You can reserve and pay for it using your credit card or smartphone. Renting one for an hour costs around €18.20, and 2 pods cost around €24.28. WWE Beds Custom Furniture. The American company WWE Beds Custom Furniture has created a colossal yet space-efficient furniture set. Despite its large size, this set fits comfortably into a single room, providing almost all the furniture needed for comfortable living. The centerpiece is a folding dining table that, when not in use, folds into a module that doubles as a bed. Side pieces include a closet, a daybed, and a desk. When the bed and table are tucked away, the furniture aligns along the walls, freeing up the center of the room. This innovative design offers a practical solution for small living spaces, ensuring that every piece of furniture serves multiple functions and can be neatly stored when not in use.